Welcome to Go Bears Diecast Workshop, episode 48. Remember, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. This happens to be a St. Patrick's Day build-off invitational that Diecast Graveyard, Paul, put on for any of the hobbyists that wanted to join in on the fun. And so I picked the casting, and it happens to be a Brooks and Dunn car. Not sure who the maker is, but as you can see, it is very play worn and beat up, and it looks like it's been through the ringer. Definitely loved. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to get this thing taken apart and stripped. As you can see, there's no grill in the front, so I'll have to deal with that. The actual windshield has fell down in the bottom of the casting itself. The wheels and tires are torn up pretty bad. But let's go ahead and take it apart. I've drilled and tapped it already. Take a moment to thank my new subscribers and the old subscribers that have stuck with me. There's the casting itself. There's the wheels and tires, the black windshield, and of course the base. Again, I'm going to have to reattach that windshield into the roof of the casting. But we'll get it in some stripper and take care of it. Alright, so now I've gotten it out of the stripper. I've got it into the spray booth. Gonna put some primer on it. I'm using the Tamiya Fine Surface Primer. Now with this one I had a little bit of an issue. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with the grill itself. As you can see right now, it still has the holes in it. Well, what ended up happening is that I actually stripped it again after putting top coat on it and everything, and then came back and put some JB Well and filled that in the front and smoothed it out and contoured it to flow with the body. So here I am putting the top coat back on again, and you see the front of the nose where the grill was has been filled in. I think it came out real nice and smooth. This is a green metallic out of a spray can. It's a beautiful color. I usually go back and forth between using my airbrush and spray can, or rattle cans as some say. I want you guys to know that whatever your choice may be, you can still put out a very nice casting, whether you have airbrushing skills or just a rattle can type of person. But it's a beautiful green in representation of St. Patrick's Day. Here it is with the clear on it. You can see the shine is coming completely through with that. It is very deep. I did go ahead and do some detailing on it. So here's what we started out with. Extremely play worn, beat up, just needing a lot of restoration. And I think that I did it justice in the end. Just remember that we got some other builds coming up. The Monte Carlo build on the 27th, and the Four Horsemen also have a build with the El Camino Here's some of the stills. You can see I added a gold 4-leaf clover shamrock on the front and a beer barrel on the back. They were 3D printed. Put the tail lights in. Hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you check out the other builders that participated. I think that Paul's going to do something special with maybe a giveaway or something. Again, if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.